Start by making sure the car is not running. The switch is different from the last generations of 911s. While you do not need to remove the end trim panel, I find it helps with removing the dash piece. Use your trim removal tool and gently pry the piece away from the end of the dash. There are two clips that hold the dash trim piece in place, indicated by green arrows not shown. Start at the end where you removed the previous piece and gently pry the dash trim piece away. Separate the wiring connection on the rear of the piece by squeezing in the tab, red arrow. Turn the switch counterclockwise and pull it out from the dash. Squeeze in on the small tab and separate the electrical connection. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.